The iQOO Z10 Turbo has just been released, and there are 3 models in total. The one we have here is the Pro version. Let's take a look. The familiar packaging with one layer for the phone and another for the accessories. The design features a floating design language with German Schotz diamond glass. The top frame is about 3.01 millimeters, the sides about 2.7 millimeters, and the bottom about 3.74 millimeters. The screen transitions to the plastic middle frame through beveled edges, reducing the perceived thickness without a plastic bracket. The middle frame has a coarse texture, making it less slippery and more resistant to dirt. The top has speaker openings, and the bottom features a USB 2.0 port. The buttons have a slight wobble, but they feel firm and crisp with a very short travel distance. The back is made of composite metal material with a deck space window design, and it also features star trail marking. There is no breathing light, and the ring-shaped flash actually consists of 2 lights. The body thickness is about 8.24 millimeters, with the lens protruding to 11.29 millimeters, and it weighs 209.41 grams. It features a disc-type shock absorption and RP65 2-hour rainforest protection, which can make it wobble a bit when placed on a table. The included colorful soft gel case feels quite nice. The screen fingerprint sensor uses an ultra-short focal white light solution, and its position is slightly lower. Let's take a look at the fine-angle screen, an OLED from TCL CSOT C9+. The resolution is 2800 by 1260, and you can choose a 1080p dual microgun structure explained earlier. The maximum active brightness is 600 nits, with the photo album reaching nearly 800 nits, and the global peak brightness is close to 2000 nits. Normally, the local brightness does not increase further. The refresh rate is 60 Hz and 144 Hz, with a 3000 Hz touch sampling rate. The new 4th generation IC optimized touch adjustments in developer options. The high brightness and refresh rate are like DC-like dimming, and below 40% brightness, it switches to PWM at 21 to 60 Hz. You can choose full DC. Overriding the HDR effect includes 4320 Hz ultra-high frequency PWM dimming, triggers under low light as large and small waves. The instrument has already read the numbers. This is AI eye protection gaming, with eye protection color supporting ambient light adaptive professional mode. The color gamut is 90.4% with a delta E of 2.02. The default warm color is the traditional D65 color, with a color gamut of 98.1% P3 and a delta E of 1.5 in vivid mode. The color gamut is 77.2% BT 2020. The configuration is the 4th generation Snapdragon 8 S4 nanometer octa-core, which has been explained earlier. The memory is dual-channel X combined with UFS 4.0. It has the self-developed gaming chip Q1, supporting 1.5K resolution. With the addition of 144 Hz ultra frame rate, games that do not support these 2 options are at full frame rate, and there is also an option to have the frame rate and then complete it. The cooling system has a 7K ice dome, VC liquid cooling heat concentration plate, which is like iQOO Z10's screen cooling film, and thermal conductive gel. Reduces the temperature in the thumb area, at 25 Celsius with 350 nits brightness. Genshin Impact has 300 interpolated frames, ultra high quality, double the frame difference. Honor of Kings runs at the highest settings easily. And punishing, the average is 34.2 frames, which can basically maintain 30. It's not very smooth, but relatively stable. The power consumption is 448 times 2. The maximum temperature on the front is 48, avoiding the thumb area, and the maximum on the back is 48.3. You can clearly see the dual battery cells. The middle frame's top, bottom, left and right are 46, 47.4, 46.6, and 44.2 respectively, which is also quite stable and balanced. You still need to be cautious about the heat aspect of the game. Features like lighting, vibration, filters, sound effects are all present. The vibration is skill specific, making it more user-friendly compared to other brands. However, the AI functionality is somewhat lacking with no automatic assistance. Of course, the game assistant is still available, supporting direct drive power supply signals. The supported frequency bands are shown in the diagram, supporting 5.5G and Wi-Fi with a 72 surround antenna, which is a new high in iQOO's history. This is the AI signal engine, and King of Glory's jointly launched dual network fusion tube, allowing Wi-Fi and data to connect simultaneously. By selecting non-lagging segments, the overall lag can be reduced. Dual screen GPS, triple screen Beidou, full feature NFC, and Bluetooth 6.0 support lossless functionality, all of which are complete. The speaker supports sound effect, and the X-axis linear motor is unchanged. But the battery life is 7,000 mAh with an ultra-thin blue ocean battery with semi-solid 3rd generation silicon technology. The charging adapter is 120 W with dual USB-C ports. The 1 meter cable supports QCPS, and the micro-added fast charging can handle 100 W. With the screen on, charging at 100 W keeps the battery at 32 degrees great. At 66 W, the battery temperature can drop to 34 degrees, then decreases. At 38 degrees, the battery has already reduced to 10 W, which balances high speed and longevity well. In terms of compatibility, the UFCS Type-C port supports 44 W, Pure PD supports 10 W, and PPS supports 42 W. Rightly, the system also integrates DeepSig 2.1, which we won't repeat here. The camera features a 50 megapixel main sensor from Sony, the IMX600, and supports optical image stabilization. The ultra-wide-angle camera is 8 megapixels with a 105-degree field of view, and the zoom offers 2x lossless and up to 10x maximum. There are 3 color options, and the same algorithm as Vivo has been used. The camera interface has been upgraded this time, allowing you to access professional mode by swiping in any direction. In the lab, it operates under 358Hz charging illumination. The 50-megapixel mode sometimes results in overexposure. The resolution is quite good. There is slight moire in low light. Under Alex, the image purity noticeably decreases, but the details remain acceptable. The portrait mode has added a 1.5x option, which provides much more pronounced bokeh compared to 2x. It handles high contrast scenes with a good dynamic range. Especially without using the night mode, you can still clearly see the patterns on the lanterns. There are automatic night mode and dedicated night mode, and all 3 are different. It's recommended to use the night mode frequently, as the improvement is very noticeable. And all zoom levels can also utilize the night mode. Let's summarize. The price is $19.99, and after the national subsidy, it's $16.99, which is considered a high-value budget phone. Besides the plastic body, the cost-performance ratio and gaming performance are both very good, making it quite suitable for gaming. Hopefully, the AI features can also catch up. What do you all think? Feel free to leave your comments. Alright, I'm WenQ, and I'll see you in the next episode.